Be sure to read and fully understand this document before installing and operating your Stazz product. Failure to do so can result in item failure, property damage, or serious injury. Item failure, injury, or property damage due to improper installation is not covered by warranty. Align paper pattern to the edge and install your brackets to the top and bottom. Next, begin to assemble the shaft and the shelves. Make note of the order of parts and how each places inside one another. Tighten down and assemble the shaft and shelves using the upper tightening mechanism. Now install the unit into the cabinet. Create tension and tighten with the tightening mechanism.